In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort data in Google Sheets. This tutorial is perfect for those moments when you need to make sense of a large set of data quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in and walk through this simple process step by step. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and navigate to sheets.google.com. If you haven't already, sign in to your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted by your Google Sheets homepage, where all your spreadsheets are conveniently listed. Locate the spreadsheet containing the data you wish to sort and open it. With your spreadsheet open, identify the range of cells or the entire table you want to work with. This is an important step because selecting the right range ensures that you're only sorting the data that you need to. After you've selected your data, direct your attention to the top of the page, where you'll find various menu options. Click on the Data menu. From the drop-down menu, locate and click on Create a Filter. Upon doing this, you'll notice that filter icons appear in each of your column headers. These icons are essential tools as they allow you to specify exactly how you want to sort your data. Now, decide which column you want to sort your data by, typically the column that holds the most critical values for your context. Click the filter icon in the header of this column. This will present you with sorting options. You'll find that you have the choice to sort your data in one of two ways. First, you could opt for Sort A to Z, which organizes your data in ascending order. This means numbers will go from smallest to largest, or if you're sorting text, it will sort alphabetically from A to Z. Alternatively, you might choose Sort Z to A to see your data in descending order. In this case, numbers will go from largest to smallest, and text will arrange alphabetically from Z to A. Select the option that best fits your needs to execute the sort. Once you've made your choice, you'll see your data instantly rearranged according to the criteria you've set. The new order should provide you with clearer insights or align better with your analysis needs. It's also good to remember that Google Sheets automatically saves changes, so you don't have to worry about losing your newly sorted data. And there you have it, a straightforward method to sort data in Google Sheets that can greatly enhance your productivity and data management skills. Thanks for watching, and be sure to try this out with your own data.